Today we are studying what questions in the past and what questions in the future. Let's get started. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you eat? What did you eat? What did you drink? What did you drink? What did you say? What did you say? What did you see? What did you see? What did you hear? What did you hear? What did you find? What did you find? What did you make? What did you make? What did you ask? What did you ask? What did you do after class? What did you do after class? What did you learn? What did you learn? What did you buy? What did you buy? What did you choose? What did you choose? What did you wear yesterday? What did you wear yesterday? What did you need? What did you need? What did you do in the morning? What did you do in the morning? What did you hear yesterday? What did you hear yesterday? What did you see on TV? What did you see on TV? What did you answer? What did you answer? What did you ask? What did you ask? What did you forget? What did you forget? What did you bring? What did you bring? What did you break? What did you break? What did you read? What did you read? What did you write? What did you write? What did you like the most? What did you like the most? What will you do next? What will you do next? What will you clean? What will you clean? What will you finish today? What will you finish today? What will you start? What will you start? What will you close? What will you close? What will you open? What will you open? What will you remember? What will you remember? What will you forget? What will you forget? What will you practice? What will you practice? What will you help with? What will you help with? What will you lose? What will you lose? What will you bring? What will you bring? What will you take? What will you take? What will you give? What will you give? What will you receive? What will you receive? What will you order? What will you order? What will you cancel? What will you cancel? What will you draw? What will you draw? What will you paint? What will you paint? What will you enjoy the most? Excellent job, guys! You've learned the last part of what questions. Guys, if you didn't see the part 1 or part 3, see it in my channel, guys. And also, see all of my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye, guys!